Hi, everybody. This is Dr. Forth, and today we're going to talk about vision boards and using the law of attraction to help you meet your goals. I did talk about goal setting in a previous video, so this is kind of going to be a continuation for that. So there are several good ways to make vision boards. You can do the actual paper variety or a digital one. In either case, the principle of making a vision board is that you're going to have a graphical representation of things that you want or specific things that you're going to try and accomplish. So if you're going to use an actual tangible vision board, you can get poster board or foam board from a craft store, and then you're going to cut out pictures either from magazines, or perhaps you're going to find things online with online searches. These are going to be things that are meaningful to you and represent goals that you're trying to accomplish, things that you want to acquire. And so you're going to find these items and put them onto your board. And when you get done, you'll have like a art project representing your goals. Now, some craft stores, they have a lot of cool things to add to your board, like look in the scrapbooking section. There's also glitter pens and all kinds of wonderful things that you can use. So if you wanted to represent financial success, you might get printouts from stock market indices and pictures of jewelry or whatever it is. For school, you're going to make a little report card or grade report with A's on there and perhaps a graduation cap, whatever it is that is meaningful to you. Now, you want to probably focus on what your immediate goals are, because when you use your vision board, you're going to look at that and use that imagery every single day, at least a couple times a day, and really feel the feelings of having accomplished those things. That's the important part. So while you're putting the board together and you're selecting the images that you're going to put on there, you look at it every day and you just think about how it feels to have accomplished those things. So that's a tangible, actual physical vision board. And if you prefer to have a digital one, there are a lot of great options with that. Canva's a good place to go. Or, you can do a surprising amount of digital creation with just Word and Microsoft Paint. Both of those come on all of the different computers. Well, Word, you're going to have to acquire MS Office, but you probably already have that. So you can go scour the internet for images, and this principle is the same. You're going to find images of things that you like, uh, things that you're trying to accomplish, representation of your goals. Now, the cool thing with the digital option, you can use it to put it as the background for your laptop or computer. You can even use it as wallpaper for your phone or tablet. What I suggest is that you have different sections of your vision board. You can do different sections with the actual tangible vision board as well. With the digital one, you maybe make different files, one to represent academics. Well, maybe that goes on your phone because you carry your phone with you all the time. And while you're going to class, you take it out and your phone wallpaper has images that are representing what you want to accomplish for your academics. And then when you're back in your house or your dorm room, you have another one set up on your computer or laptop. And the desktop has other images that you're going to represent. So you can actually create multiple little digital representations for different things that you're trying to accomplish. And remember, it's the same as the principle with the paper vision board. So you're going to look at those things multiple times a day, and you're going to feel the feelings of having accomplished whatever it is that you're trying to do. And in this way, you kind of put yourself in the right frame of mind to be able to accomplish those goals. So you want to do it multiple times a day. So whatever choice you choose, the digital one or the actual paper one, remember the process of making it yourself. You're going to be thinking about it and putting all of your goals and representations that are meaningful to you into your vision board. So you're going to look at it often. It's better if it is not really, really cluttered. In other words, don't put everything on there that you ever want to accomplish in your whole life. Maybe just for the semester or for the month or whatever interval you decide, put specific things that are relevant, and you're going to really focus on those things. And so you want to see them multiple times a day and really focus on feeling the feelings of already having those things. And that's where you bring the law of attraction principles in to help you support your goals and objectives and achieve what you're trying to do. Make sure that you like and subscribe so that you can see my next video.